Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Ryanair account. Whether you're checking an upcoming flight, managing a booking, or viewing your travel history, accessing your account is the first step to making your travel experience seamless. Let's walk through the process together. First, open up a web browser on your device and navigate to the Ryanair website. You'll want to type www.ryanair.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll see everything you need to get started with your login right from there. The layout is designed to be straightforward, so finding your way around should be quite simple. Now look towards the top right corner of the homepage. This is where you'll find the Login tab. Click on it to proceed. This button is consistently placed in that spot, making it easy to locate no matter when you visit the site. Clicking it will bring up the login screen where you can enter your credentials. On the login screen, you'll see a field labeled email address. Here, you'll need to type in the email address that you used when you registered your Ryanair account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Alternatively, if you prefer, Ryanair also gives you the option to log in using your Google, Facebook, or PayPal account. This can be a convenient option if you've linked any of these accounts previously, as it saves you from remembering yet another password. If you happen to be new to Ryanair and don't have an account yet, there's no need to worry. Simply look for the sign up option on the same screen and click on it. You'll be guided through a series of prompts that will help you create a new account. This process is quick and straightforward, asking for basic information to get you set up and ready to book your next flight. It's worth noting that this login process works identically whether you're using the Ryanair website on a desktop or the Ryanair mobile app. The login option is presented in the same clear manner across both platforms, ensuring a consistent experience no matter how you choose to access your account. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Ryanair account and ready to manage your travel plans with ease. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.